Think you can't make money online without upfront investment? Wrong. I'm about to reveal the secret to starting affiliate marketing with $0 in your pocket. Stay tuned, and you could start earning today without spending a dime. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. In the world of digital hustle, where every penny counts, wouldn't it be amazing if you could turn your online footprint into a gold mine without spending a single dollar? That's not just wishful thinking, it's entirely possible with the right strategy and a bit of know-how. Today, we're unwrapping the potential of leveraging free digital platforms for affiliate marketing, a realm where your effort and creativity are your biggest investments. First off, think about the social media profiles you already have. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter aren't just for keeping up with friends and trends. They're powerful tools for promoting products and services as an affiliate marketer. The trick? Authentic engagement. Share content that genuinely interests you and aligns with your audience's preferences. This way, when you do weave in affiliate links, they feel more like personal recommendations than ads. But it's not just about social media. Have you ever shared your thoughts in a blog post or an article? Platforms like WordPress and Medium let you publish content for free and can be a magnet for traffic if you know how to use them right. Here's where SEO plays its part. By optimizing your posts with the right keywords without spending a dime on tools, you can attract readers searching for exactly what you're talking about. And when those readers find helpful, engaging content, they're more likely to click on your affiliate links. Finally, the true backbone of successful affiliate marketing without an upfront investment is building an organic following. It's about creating a community that trusts your voice and looks forward to your content. How? By being consistent, relatable, and always focusing on adding value rather than just making a quick sale. Now, think about it. Can you see the untapped potential of your existing online presence? Are you ready to transform your digital platforms into streams of affiliate income? What's the first platform you're going to leverage for your affiliate marketing breakthrough? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com now for your free access and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Choosing the right affiliate programs is like discovering a gold mine without having to wield a pickaxe. Imagine getting a paycheck for sharing your favorite products with your audience. No upfront fees required. How is that possible, you wonder? It boils down to selecting affiliate programs that not only align with your niche and audience interest, but also respect your pocket by not demanding fees upfront. Finding reputable affiliate networks is the first gate you'll pass through. Networks like ShareASale, ClickBank, and Amazon Associates stand out as beacons for affiliate marketers, offering a wide range of products along with favorable commission rates. Why does this matter? Because the right network can mean the difference between a trickle of income and a flowing river. Now, the small print, it isn't just tedious jargon, but the roadmap to your treasure. Understanding the terms and conditions of affiliate programs is paramount. It's here you'll discover payment thresholds, commission rates, and cookie durations, all vital pieces of the puzzle that can significantly impact your earnings. Promoting products effectively comes next. It isn't about throwing affiliate links into the digital void, but strategically weaving them into content that your audience finds valuable. Whether it's a blog post, a tweet, or a YouTube video, the goal is always to add value, making those links feel like a natural part of the conversation rather than a sales pitch. But how do you stand out in a sea of affiliate marketers? Through real-world case studies and examples, we see that the key lies in authenticity, consistency, and engagement. Successful affiliate marketers start with zero initial investment, but a wealth of trust from their community. Intrigued? Think about the last time you recommended a product to a friend because you genuinely loved it. What if you could earn from that genuine recommendation? Which platform would you choose to kickstart your affiliate marketing venture, and why? Share your thoughts, and let's explore this golden pathway together.